This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see something really very interesting, but before going to that, if you haven't watched my previous video, please do check that out, because in this video we are going to use Pyautogui, which I have told how to install in the previous video. And in the previous video we have seen how we can use Pyautogui to automate our WhatsApp chat or any social media chat. In this video we are going to take that Pyautogui to the next level, and we are going to automate our YouTube comment section or any social media comment section. Like it will automatically do lots of comments like one after another, like you have seen in the bot, can say a chat bot or comment bot. So we are going to create our own bot using Pyautogui. So without any further ado, let's begin this video. So let us just open our VS Code, or we can simply use a notepad, and here we will create a new file. Now save this file. Let's save it on the desktop, and here I will name it as YouTube auto comment, and here I will choose the extension as Python. So this video is basically just for education purpose. Please don't spam comments section of other YouTube videos. Here I will try it on my own video only. So here just type in import Pyautogui, because we are going to automate our graphical user interface. And then you can import time, which is already predefined in the Python libraries. Now before moving to that, let us see any video. Let's suppose on YouTube we have these videos. Let's just open any of the video. Let's see in this video, send multiple messages, this was Pyautogui only. So in this you can see in the comment section down below, here if you click on this, it will let you type any comment, and then if you click tab key on your keyboard, it will go to this emoji section, and then if you press tab again, it will go to cancel, and then it will go to comment when you press tab again. So that means when we click on this, we can automatically type this using Python, and then we need to press tab. Here we will provide any comment, automatic comment, which will be through Pyautogui, and then we will press tab 3 times, then it will go to comment, and then we will press the comment key. That means we will press enter on comment. So let us see how we can do that in this Python. So here let's just declare I equals 1, and then let's create a loop while I is less than 2. So I just want to have comment 2 times, or let's say 3 times. Then we will sleep this for, let's say, sleep for 5 seconds. So when we click on any comment section here, when we click on here, it will first sleep for 5 seconds. Then what we are going to do is, we are going to type our custom message. So here in the comment section our message will be printed. So what we will do is Pyautogui dot type. So this typewriter function we have already used in that WhatsApp chat video. So here we will just provide our message, let's say great video. So now what we are going to do is, as you have seen earlier, after typing the automatic message, we will press tab, it will go to emoji, then tab cancel, then again tab comment. That means 3 times tab. So what we are going to do is Pyautogui dot press, then we will press the tab key. And how many times we are going to press this tab key? 3 times. So that means 3 times we are going to press tab key, and after that we are going to press enter. Like you have seen, after going to this comment, we will click on this, that means enter. So we'll press the enter key on comment. Now once the comment is done, let's see what will happen after that. Let's say I'm just typing here test and tab, then on comment I'm manually pressing enter key. So comment is done. Now with my keyboard only I need to go to this add a comment. So how will I go to this? I will just press tab and then I will press shift plus tab. I will go to this add a comment. Then again the same process will go on. Like again the automatic message will be there, then tab here, then tab cancel, then again tab, that means 3 times tab, then we will go to comment, then we will press enter, then again we will press tab and then shift tab to go to this comment section. Okay, so we have done this till now. Like we will type the message automatically, then tab, then enter. It will comment in that video, it will put a comment in that video, and after that we have pressed tab and then shift tab to go to this comment section. So what we are going to do is we are going to do time.sleep, because it will take like few seconds to post that comments also, right? So we will sleep for 5 seconds and then again we will do Pyautogui dot press, then we will again press tab, then we are going to press shift plus tab, that means we are going to use hotkey. So Pyautogui dot hotkey. So using this hotkey function, what we can do is we can press multiple buttons on our keyboard. So for that we will just provide here shift, let's say shift and then tab. So it will automatically press and hold shift key and then it will press tab key. Okay, and after that, since we are in this loop, currently I is 1, that means I is less than 3, that means it's true, it will go here, and then we need to increment that I equals I plus 1. So let's just save this script. Now we are going to run this. In the terminal I will just type in, first I will go to the path of this file and then I will execute this Python file. So I will just type in cd, then desktop, and in this desktop I have my Python script, that is YouTube autocommand.py. Now I will run that Python, let's say Python 3 YouTube autocommand.py. Now I need to click here once that script executes. So I will just execute this script and I will click here. Now I'll just wait and watch. So one comment is automatically done. Okay, now it's going for second comment. It will wait for 5 seconds. Okay, another comment is also done. Now again it is back to the comment section. So in our case we had loop from 1 to less than 3, that means 1 and 2. So it will just post the comment twice. If you see here, the script is executed successfully and it has posted comment 2 times. That means 1 and then less than 3, that means 1 2. If I had the here 1000 or million, it will keep on posting comments. So that's how, like, some people also create like chat bot or comment bots that will put spam comments. So that's how basically that is done. There are like several tools as well, or you can use Python also. Like you can also automatically create a Python script like this. If you want, you can also customize this message. Like on a particular interval or at particular time some another comment will be posted, and at particular time some other comment will be posted. You can also like do a lot of stuff with this. You can create your own ideas and use it. And while you are uploading any video, you can also have a section while uploading the video. They will ask, like the YouTube will ask, if you want to hold some inappropriate comments, or you want to have some sensitive keywords, like if someone will post this kind of keyword, it will be automatically blocked. So this is just for education purpose only. Please do not misuse it to like spam anyone's video that is clearly inappropriate. So if you like this video, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.